If you're about to give a presentation and feel nervous right now, this is for you. Maybe your thoughts are speeding up. Maybe your body feels alert. Maybe you keep imagining the moment before you begin. Take a slow breath in and let it go gently. You do not need to eliminate nervousness. Your body is not malfunctioning. It is preparing for importance. What we are doing now is guiding that energy into steadiness. Take another breath. Feel your feet touching the ground. Your nervous system constantly reads signals from your body. Your brain does not only create behavior, behavior also shapes the brain. When your body moves calmly, your mind begins to believe you are safe. This is real. Your brain predicts reality based on physical signals. Let your shoulders soften, just 5% softer. Release effort you do not need. Unclench your jaw slightly. Relax your tongue. These small changes send powerful messages. I am not in danger. I am capable. Take another slow inhale. Now imagine standing before your presentation. Not perfection, steadiness. You are not trying to become confident. You are allowing confidence to emerge. Experienced speakers do not wait to feel confident. They begin by acting as someone who is already steady. The brain follows action. Confidence often arrives after movement, not before it. Sit as if you are already calm. Lengthen your spine slightly. Let your breathing slow naturally. You are teaching your nervous system a new reference point. Take a breath. Feel how your body already feels different. Imagine entering the room. You walk at a natural pace, grounded, present. Your attention moves outward. You notice people. You notice space. Presentations are not performances. They are conversations at scale. Your role is not to impress. Your role is to communicate. Take another breath. People trust speakers who pause. People listen to voices that feel settled. You do not need perfect words. You need presence. Imagine beginning. You take one breath before speaking. Your first sentence lands calmly. If your mind blanks, you pause. You breathe. You continue. This pause is authority. Take another slow inhale. Long exhale. Your preparation already exists within you. When the body relaxes, access to memory improves naturally. Calm increases clarity. Imagine yourself continuing the presentation. You listen. You respond thoughtfully. You allow space between thoughts. Each calm breath becomes rehearsal. Each relaxed muscle becomes evidence. You are teaching your nervous system, I can handle this. Take another slow breath in and out. Confidence is not intensity. Confidence is regulation. You do not need to feel fearless. You only need to feel steady enough. One more breath. You are calm. You are clear. You are grounded. This presentation is only one moment in your life. You are bigger than any single moment. When you are ready, carry this calm with you.